Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lesson. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, Mohenjo-daro. SLOs of this lesson are: use reading strategies to predict the content of a text from picture by asking questions and contextual clues. Look at the page number 15 of your textbook. What we have here? We have a picture of Mohenjo-daro here. Mohenjo-daro is a place. We will find out what it is, why this was known for its civilization, for its history. We will find out by reading the text. Now look at the warm-up activity here. What do you know about the Indus Valley civilization? This question is for you. Indus Valley civilization is mostly found in the Indus Valley. The Indus River is one of the world's longest river. The civilization lasted about 1,000 years and this was a very advanced civilization. Do you know what it is archaeology? What does mean by civilization? Archaeology is the study of things that people made, used and left behind. The goal of archaeology is to understand what people of past were like and how they lived. So now look at here at the paragraph number 1. Mohenjo-daro means mound of dead. In the Sindhi language, the original name of the city is unknown. It is an archaeological site in the province of Sindh, Pakistan. It is at distance of 27 kilometers from Larkana on the right bank of the river Indus. It was built around 5500 BCE as one of the largest settlements of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Ancient means Purana, Tarikhi. And one of the world's earliest major city, major Bada. This mysterious culture emerged nearly 4,500 years ago and thrived for 1,000 years, profiting from the highly fertile lands of the Indus River. Thrived, tarakki ki, आगे बढ़ा. Emerged, आगे आया, उभरा. Mohenjo-daro was abandoned in the 19th century BCE as the Indus Valley civilization declined, and the site was not rediscovered until the 1920s. Abandoned मतलब छोड़ दिया गया. लोगों ने उसको छोड़ दिया. Nobody knew anything about it until some villagers found pieces of old smooth pots and old bricks at the place where now stands the uncovered city. So, in this paragraph, what we read about the Mohenjo-daro was a mound of dead. ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर छोड़ी हुई खराब, मतलब यहाँ पर लिखा है कि dead, तो ऐसी चीजें जहाँ पर मरी हुई चीजें पाई गई थी. And in the Sindhi language, there is no name for it. It's unknown. It is from Larkana, the right bank of the Indus River, at 27 kilometers. And it was built in 2500 BC as one of the largest city in the old Indus Valley civilization. Here the civilization means the culture or society of a specific area. तहजीब जिसे हम कहते हैं उर्दू में. So it was the largest city of that Indus Valley civilization, and it was mysteriously culture emerged nearly 405,000 years ago, and it was very successful, prosperous. बहुत तरक्की की इसने, मुनाफा कमाया कारोबार वगैरह से. उसके बाद जो है abandon कर दिया गया, छोड़ दिया गया मोहनजोदड़ो को in 19th century, and the civilization declined, and it was not rediscovered until 1920s. Only villagers found the pieces of old smooth pots. मट्टी के बर्तन उनको मिले और old bricks, कुछ पुरानी ईंटें मिली. Now look at this paragraph here, second paragraph. These pieces of the old pots and bricks were brought to Sir John Marshall, an English civil servant whose work was to look after the historical remains, like the ancient buildings and other old things such as these pieces of pots and bricks. He himself was very interested in history and was anxious to find out about the remains. Remains छोड़ी हुई चीजों को कहते हैं और anxious कहते हैं परेशानी को. So when he looked at them carefully, he at once knew that were pieces of very old pots. About the bricks, he said, perhaps there was once a town or a city which lies under these mounds of clay and sand. Let us dig here. Maybe we shall uncover the remains of an old city. Here, mounds mean मट्टी का टेल है, इस तरह जैसे नजर आ रहा है आपको. In the second paragraph, we discussed that some of the old pots in brick were brought up to Sir John Marshall, who was English civil servant, and he was deeply interested in historical remains. तारीखी छोड़ी हुई चीजों में वो बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेता था. And he knew by looking at the bricks and the pots that it's very old. It's very from old civilization. And he figured it out that it lies under the mounds of clay, sands. And he decided to dig this here to uncover the old city. Now look at the third paragraph here on page number 15. So the men started digging. As they dug, more and more such pieces came up, till there appeared bit by bit a city of straight roads and well-built houses. You can imagine how surprised and excited the people were. Bit by bit, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके digging, खोदना जब start किया. When they saw all that coming up from what they had so far taken to be only mounds of clay and sand, each house was made of large baked bricks and had a bathroom and a servant quarters close by. So in this paragraph, we discussed that people, when start digging the remains of old city, they found many things. Yes, I found out that there were straight roads, houses, servant quarters, bathrooms, and the large baked bricks. पक्की हुई ईंटों के घर थे उसमें, ईंटें भी उनको मिली. And this was not only a mound of clay and sand. सिर्फ मट्टी और रेत के टीले नहीं थे, उनमें उनको पूरा शहर तबाह हुआ मिला. Now look at the next page here. In paragraph, covered drains ran beside the street. Drains कहते हैं पाइप्स को. जमीन के अंदर जो थे पाइप्स उनको मिले, गलियों के अंदर पाइप लगाए गए थे, कवर किया हुआ था उसको. Even the streets were made of baked bricks. Carts and other forms of transport could come to the center of the town. You can still see the great hall where grain was stored. Grain, ghalla, anaj. There is a wide road in the middle of which was the shopping center with shops on both sides. This road continues on to the houses of the workmen. So in this paragraph, we found out what? There was pipes ran beside the streets. There was a city, and the streets were also made of baked bricks. Carts and the other transport could also be found. They figured it out. There was also a mean of or source of transport were there. And there was a great hall where the grain was stored, and the wide road middle of the which the shopping center with shops on both sides. This road continues the houses of the workmen. Student, we will continue this unit in our next lesson. So I want you to read the next paragraph by yourself too, and we will read the remaining unit in our next class. So let's move to the exercise. We will answer these two questions from the text we have read so far. Question number here. Where is Mohenjo-daro situated? Yes, you can find the answer of this question here in this paragraph. Look at the question number 2. How has the probable age of Mohenjo-daro been found? You can find the answer of this question in this paragraph here. Dear students, आज के लेसन में हमने मोहनजोदड़ो के बारे में पढ़ा कि मोहनजोदड़ो क्या था. उसका सिंधी लैंग्वेज में कोई प्रॉपर नाम नहीं था. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट ने जो है इसको ढूंढा था, और ये सिंध में है, 27 किलोमीटर दूर लड़काना से, सीधी साइड पे रिवर इंडस के पास. और ये 2500 BCE की सबसे लार्जेस्ट सिटी था इंडस वैली का और सिविलाइजेशन का. और ये जो है मिस्टीरियसली इमर्ज्ड हुआ था 4500 साल पहले. और इस शहर ने बहुत ज्यादा तरक्की की थी तिजारत के हवाले से और कारोबार के हवाले से. फिर उसके बाद इसको मोहनजोदड़ो को छोड़ दिया गया 19th सेंचुरी में. 19th सेंचुरी में कुछ लोगों ने पुराने बर्तन और ईंटें ढूंढ निकाली और सर जॉन मार्शल के पास ले गए, जो कि एक इंग्लिश सिविल सर्वेंट थे. वो इन चीजों में हिस्टोरिकल जो छोड़ी हुई और जो तबाह हुई चीजें थी उन चीजों में बहुत दिलचस्पी लेते थे. तो लोगों ने क्या किया, उनके पास ले गए। सर जॉन जो थे उनको बहुत शौक था कि, और वो क्यूरियस थे, उनको मैं बहुत तजस्सुस था कि वो इस शहर के बारे में जाने। तो उन्होंने क्या किया, खुदाई शुरू की। जब खुदाई शुरू की तो पता चला कि वहां पर एक पूरा शहर आबाद था। वहां पर रोड भी बने हुए थे, लोगों के घर भी थे, पक्की ईंटों के बने हुए बाथरूम थे, सर्वेंट्स क्वार्टर थे। उसके बाद इस पैराग्राफ में हमने पढ़ा कि वहां पर प्रॉपर स्ट्रीट्स बनी हुई थी, पक्की ईंटों की, और ट्रांसपोर्ट के भी होती थी। एक ग्रेट हॉल था जहां पर अनाज जो है स्टोर किया जाता था, और शॉपिंग के लिए एक सेंटर था, शॉपिंग सेंटर भी था और शहर के दरमियान में, और उसके लिए हर तरफ से सड़क आती थी, और वहां पर काम करने वालों के घर भी थे। स्टूडेंट्स, हम अपना ये यूनिट जारी रखेंगे नए लेसन में। आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड माई लेसन। थैंक यू।